Before you start Eugying, wash your hands. Make sure your surface is clean. Push out each piece and place in sequence. And don't forget to read our fun facts. Glue L1 and R1 together. Apply the glue near the edges of the pieces, but don't use too much glue. Hold for 20 seconds. Squeeze the edges of the A-bar. The A-bar in the slot. Start adding the next pieces in order. Squeeze in a little bit of glue for the eyeball. Put the eyeball in the slot. Continue adding the pieces. Push through the A-bar. Add the final pieces using the alignment guide. Continue adding the pieces. Squeeze in a little bit of glue for the eyeball. Put the eyeball in the slot. Continue adding the pieces. Add the final pieces using the alignment guide. When you are finished, don't forget to tidy up and recycle the cardboard panels.
Eugy!
Meet more Eugy friends on our website.